So I noticed there's this little ring on top where your yarn is supposed to come in from above the machine, and I'm just like, what can I do about that? And I looked online for some of these holders. So instead, I DIY'd one, right? So I took a couple of those little salsa bowls you get from Walmart for like $1, and I drilled some big old holes in the bottom so they could be pooping out yarn. I'm just saying. And now I got me an easy peasy lemon squeezy way to do it. And if it's not tall enough, I can take out a section because I took a Swiffer handle. It was broken, already. So I screwed it into the ceiling so it swivels. Right? So while we're doing the tufting, it's not just rigid. It can just kind of go with the flow, But anyway, look, I just wanted to share this with you. All I did was drill a hole in here, zip tie it together, drill a hole in it, zip tie it together, and zip tie up here, right? And then there's a couple of big ass holes in the bottom. So I don't know. These bowls aren't going to be able to stay hydrated like you guys should. But y'all stay hydrated, take care of yourself, clean as you go, and have a great night. Just wanted to share that with you. Anyway, love you guys.